Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to run TikTok sponsored ads and the various types of ads objectives there is on TikTok. Again, my name is Jacob with Gpex. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, for you to run TikTok sponsored ads, there are some things you should take note of, because running TikTok sponsored ads is quite different from running Facebook sponsored ads. For those that have attended our advanced Facebook sponsored ads training class, you will see why we proceed in this TikTok sponsored ads training, the difference between the TikTok and the Facebook sponsored ads. Now, the first on the list is your ads creative. Whether it's a flyer or a video, your ads creative, you must have to post it on your TikTok account first. Now, unlike the Facebook sponsored ads where you can decide to choose your ad creative on your ads manager while you're running the ads, you don't need to post it on your page first. Or you can decide to post it on your page and boost the post afterwards. But here on TikTok, you must have to post your ads creative, whether a video or a flyer. You must have to post it on your account before you can use it to run sponsored ads. Now that brings us to the next on the list. Why posting your content? Why posting your ads creative? Please make sure you turn on the location, your location. If your business is state-wise, is within the state, you can use states. For example, your business is within Lagos, Nigeria. You can use Lagos, Nigeria. If it's nationwide, you do nationwide delivery. You can use the country as a whole, Nigeria. If you're in Ghana and you're in Cameroon, you can do the same, because the algorithm would help push your ads to people around that location. Now, the reason for this whole thing is because TikTok does not have as much detailed targeting there is on Facebook. While running ads on Facebook, you can target interest, demography, and even behavior, because there is detailed targeting there. But on TikTok, there is no detailed targeting compared to Facebook. So you have to put these things in place to help push your ads to people around your location and where you like them to be. Okay. Now the next is using hashtag while making your post. After you've turned on the location, please use relevant and enough hashtag. Use relevant and enough hashtag for your post. Now the hashtag should contain your business hashtag, your business name, then what you do. For example, GpexSkills Academy is my business, right? Now, if I'm running sponsored ads in one of my courses, for example, the importation training class, then the hashtag should contain importation class or China importation class, or hashtag China, hashtag Turkey importation. It should also contain hashtag GpexSkills Academy. It should contain hashtag the location. If the location is Nigeria, it should hashtag Nigeria, hashtag Ghana, hashtag Cameroon. Then it should also contain FYP, that is for your page. It should contain viral. Then it should contain any trending hashtag at that moment, at that point in time. The reason why you need to add FYP and viral is for you to push this content to as many people out there, so that when people engage on this post, on this content, on this ads, it will eventually go viral. Then you get more engagement from it. Okay, so that is very important. Then lastly, you are not going to use your debit card. You're not going to use your MasterCard. What you're going to use is your coins. In our previous class, we learned how to buy TikTok coins with your MasterCard, with your bank card. So if you've missed that, please go back to that video and learn how to buy TikTok coins, because you need that coins to run this ad. If you can't buy TikTok coins right now, please, there is no need to proceed. Go back to that video and learn it. Then you come back here to proceed on how to run these TikTok sponsored ads. So once you have all these in place, make sure you have, again, I'll reiterate, make sure you have a very good creative, ad creative, whether it's a flyer or a video. Make sure you have a very good top-notch creative. Then make sure you have your ad copy in place, a very constructive, well-written ad copy that not only describe your business or what you do, but also emphasizes on what the people are going to gain from it, what they will benefit from it, the reward they will derive from it. So that's what you should emphasize on, because that's what will enhance people to engage, to buy from you, to request for your service. Okay. So once you've gotten all these in place, then you can proceed to run your sponsored ads. But before then, I'm going to teach you how to make this post practical. You see on my screen how to make this post. So let's head on to TikTok. Let's make a post together. Then when we're done with that, we can proceed to running this TikTok sponsored ads. Okay. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit this subscribe button and you turn on the notification bell so you'd be the first to be notified when we drop any of our latest videos. Okay, again, my name is Jacob with Gpex. Thank you very much for this class. Bless.